Dear friends, welcome to Inspired HMS front office system. Today we are going to discuss about the LHDN implementation, where every business have to report directly online, whether through the LHDN My Invoice website or through the program which is interfaced directly online with the web API, where hitting to the LHDN server. So with this Inspired HMS system, this is the first video. We are going to do how to do the daily upload of front office revenue to LHDN. Let's get started. This is the login screen from the back office system. So before you going to back office system, we are going to see this is from the LHDN website. So there is many interface to LHDN. The first is the invoice, credit note, debit note, credit. The invoice can be an AR invoice or AP invoice. Credit note is for AR invoice, debit note for AP, refund note, self bill invoice, self bill credit note, debit note, and self bill refunds. So since the front office, mainly the hotel guest is coming to the hotels, staying in the hotel, but not every guest is requesting the e-invoice. So what we are going to do, from the back office, we are going to see how to upload the daily transaction from the front office into LHDN server. Initially, I would like to put here, this is the front office download, where we download from the revenue from front office into back office. Initially, I'm going to put the LHDN upload here, but since knowing that the module will be growing, so I put the menu by itself, LHDN menu. So this is the LHDN menu. Let's have a look. LHDN menu. So means that on a daily transaction, we upload daily to LHDN. But there is a condition from the LHDN is that, let's say on the 25th or 27th, which is yesterday, so it should be uploading into LHDN server in 3 days working days. So 27, which is 28, 29, and 30th. And 31st, you cannot upload anymore. So let's have a look. So far I have been testing March 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So this is the, once we successful uploading, LHDN will give the receipt number. This receipt number is very long, right? So for easy referencing from system, also we are going to give the document number, which is LHD 7, LHD 6, 5, and so forth. Okay, let's do the daily upload first. Let's say for the March 6, new upload, the date March 6. So this is the new upload. The document number will be empty, the LHDN receipt will be empty. So we click retrieve. And system will retrieve all the transaction for 6th of March. If you have a warisan charge or tourism tax, will also be displayed here, but this is the 3 columns. This amount column is the total revenue, the net from the SST, so this is the SST. Heritage don't have the SST, so it is 0. Also for Penang, which is local government charge, LGF, local government fee, also will have no SST. I'm not sure whether this should be uploaded or not, so I need the feedback from the client and from Mr. Carlos. So you will see at the bottom the total SST, the net revenue, and then the gross. Once we finish this one, we continue, we click continue. So the user has to, so the thing is that not every guest hotel will request the e-invoice, so we will upload all the date of 6th of March to LHDN, whether the guest is requesting or not. So if the LHDN is requesting e-invoice, is also okay. We're giving also the facility to do that. But will it be double? The system, what we are going to do is that we are uploading the e-invoice for the for the for the guest. Let's say check-in 25th, check-out 28th. So we will give it 3 days in summary to the guest e-invoice and upload to the LHDN server. On the other hand, also we create a self-bill credit note, which is this one, self-bill credit note. So when we upload this one on daily basis from back office, we using this one self-bill invoice because why? Not every guest have a TIN number. So we summarize, let's say there's 100 guests or 20 guests or 25 guests or 50 guests. So we summarize all together. So this is the summarized amount SST 8%, which is 2,495. 8% from 2,495, which is 199. For I think food and beverage imposed with 6%. If there is no SST, 92. I think this is the heritage charge or maybe tourism tax. So it's tally with this one. Once we are happy, we upload. But before we upload, we have to, this is the hotel information. The TIN number, BRN number, SST number have to be there. And also address 1 cannot be exceeding 150. Address 2, address 3, city also cannot be empty. This is the state, also cannot be empty. So if we change to Selangor, country also cannot be empty, and also this one cannot be empty, industrial code. Let's do the upload. Once we upload, we will get the receipt number and we can print the receipt. Let's try. Industrial code cannot be empty. Yes, cannot be okay. File. Upload. Once successful, you are going to receive the e-receive number, which is this kind of a long code. So if you want to print, which we can print later also, we can print. Let's print. So this is what I mentioned here, a self-bill invoice. So we summarize all the transaction for the day. If there is a 6% SST, then will be here 6% SST. No SST. And this is the QR code. So if you come to LHDN and scan this one, we'll get this number. So this QR code will be reflecting on the daily upload. Will assign this e-receipt. Means that it was successful uploading into the LHDN server. We got the receipt number. If we want to print, we can print. If done, then we click done. We can print later also, no issue. So now we got the hotel LHD 8. So we are giving also from our system LHD 8 for easy reference, because with this LHD receipt is a long code number. Once we are happy, then we click home or we click done. You see again, this one, the LHDN, the LHD egg, which is this one, 6th of March. So if you want to print again, you can click here and print e-receipt. You can print e-receipt. But can we cancel? Preparing also the cancel. So we can cancel the whole transaction. So when we upload, we will get another LHDN receipt. So whatever we cancelled will be registered in the system. Okay, that's all today for this video. So this strictly LHDN upload is for front office revenue transaction. What about the back office transaction for AP invoice, AR invoice, which we issue from back office? That will be in another video, maybe the third video. The next video is that I will put this menu into front office menu in case one of our clients is not using the back office, means only using the front office can still upload all the revenue. So next video, I'm going to address how to issue e-invoice. Suppose that the client requesting the e-invoice. So before I just want to show you before I explore further on the next video. This is how it looks like for the front office. So if the company is empty, means is for individual. If the company is fill in, then it is for a company. So for individual also, I put the TIN number here, so user can key in the TIN number. If it is company, also you got BRN number, SSD number, TIN number, and also the industrial code. I think that's all for the video today. See you on the next video. Thank you very much.